News spread throughout Medina that Taliha bin Khuwailid had declared his rebellion. His army had taken control of a village and terrorized the locals. In the darkness of the night, caravans moved cautiously, and everywhere there was fear and dread. People hid in their homes, hearts pounding, and on their lips was a single prayer: "O Allah, grant us your guidance and let truth prevail." The leaders of the Rashidun Caliphate and the companions immediately held consultations and decided that this rebellion must be ended without delay. It was not only a military challenge, but also a test of faith and wisdom. Every soldier's heart burned with the desire to seek Allah's pleasure, and in every eye shone determination and courage. This marked the beginning of a dark and tense chapter in the story of the rebellion. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, R.A., and other companions gathered the army. Every soldier's sword was sharp, every heart filled with conviction, and on every tongue was the chant of Allahu Akbar. Nighttime drills and daytime training were all aimed at one purpose: to eradicate the rebellion of Taliha bin Khuwailid. Along the route, the companions coordinated with caravans and local tribes to ensure support from all sides. Hazrat Khalid, R.A., gave precise instructions. One group would advance, another would flank the enemy, and a third would provide support from the rear. The army was reminded that victory would be achieved not only by the sword, but also through wisdom, courage, and patience. Every heart displayed faith, and every step reflected resolve. This preparation became both a military and spiritual lesson, deeply connected with belief. The soldiers began their march toward the region under Taliha's control. The path was difficult. Desert sands, rocky mountains, and treacherous rivers tested the faith of the soldiers. Every step held danger, yet they moved silently and with wisdom. The convoy's nighttime journey resembled a cinematic story, with every moment filled with awe, fear, and courage. Passing through villages and towns, the army reassured the locals that their mission was to establish peace and justice. Some people joined the soldiers after hearing this message, weakening the rebellion's influence. Every scene along the journey was dramatic, making the march both a test of faith and wisdom. When the army approached Taliha's fortress, the view was terrifying. The fortress was strong, walls were high, and the enemy's arrows and catapults were ready. Yet the light of faith dispelled all fear. Hazrat Khalid, R.A., instructed the army on battle formation. One group would advance, another would attack from the flank, and a third would provide rear support. The enemy shouted and fought fiercely to defend the fortress. Each attack became a story, and every victory seemed miraculous. The courage in the soldiers' eyes and the yearning for Allah's pleasure in their hearts were clearly visible. This moment marked the decisive and cinematic climax of the rebellion. As the battle began, confusion spread in the enemy ranks. The courage of Hazrat Khalid, R.A., and the companions instilled fear in their hearts. Swords sparkled on the ground, the chant of Takbir echoed in the air, and the light of faith filled every heart. The soldiers used strategy to attack the fortress gates, pushing the enemy back. After each victory, the locals were ensured safety and justice. This was not only a military defeat for the rebellion, but also a triumph of faith in people's hearts. Taliha's supporters were embarrassed and terrified, while the resolve of the Muslim army strengthened. The battle created a cinematic and emotional scene, showcasing both valor and belief. Inside the fortress, Taliha bin Khuwailid considered himself safe, but the power of faith blocked every escape. Faraz, R.A., and other companions used strategy and wisdom to breach the gates and enter the fortress. Taliha, fearful but arrogant, tried to encourage his followers. The soldiers subdued his supporters and raised the banner of faith within the fortress. Every step highlighted lessons of justice, wisdom, and courage. The fortress was dark, yet the light of belief and bravery shone the brightest. This scene was both cinematic and awe-inspiring, marking the final decisive moments of the rebellion. Taliha bin Khuwailid prepared himself for battle in his chamber, but it was too late. Hazrat Khalid, R.A., and the companions simultaneously stormed the gates. The glint of swords, the chant of Takbir, and the light of faith combined to create a dramatic and emotional scene. Taliha's army was defeated, and he himself was captured. The soldiers not only conquered the land, but also won the hearts of the people. The locals rejoiced, justice and peace were restored, and the shadow of rebellion vanished. This was a moment of victory through faith, wisdom, and sacrifice. Every person realized that with Allah's approval, even the impossible becomes possible. Finally, the rebellion of Taliha bin Khuwailid was ended. The fortress was captured, the local people resumed peaceful lives, and the principles of the Rashidun Caliphate were re-established. This story was not only a military triumph, but also a spiritual and moral victory. Every step, every front, and every battle proved that rebellion can be overcome through faith, wisdom, and courage. The soldiers' hearts were filled with pride and the fragrance of Allah's pleasure. This became a shining lesson and a golden chapter in history. Peace was established on the land, oppression ended, and the light of faith spread. This was the tale of the end of Taliha bin Khuwailid's rebellion, a supreme example of faith, wisdom, courage, and sacrifice.